Welcome to No Fear Cooking. Today with a new episode, and before I start anything, I want to say thank you for watching our new video. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for writing us notes. We appreciate it and we love them. And this is my last thing I have to get ready for my recipe. It's going to be a spicy beef sliders. A little bit cheese, lots of good veggies in it, and mostly everybody has all these ingredients in the house. It's a fun thing to do. I'm going to start with the veggies. Just put them in, 1 onion or almost a cup of celery, half a cup of diced green peppers, and I'm going to just give it a little dance. They're dancing right now. Look at this. And then very easy recipe. You dump everything at almost one time. We don't have to saute the vegetables separately. We are going to do them with the meat together. And right now, I'm using 2 pounds. You can use 2. You can use 1.5. Again, they are easy ingredients to use for this nice spicy slider. And once I have the beef brown a little bit, I'm going to do the rest of the ingredients, which are just the hot pepper. We are using a chili sauce, Hunt's chili sauce, or any hot spice you have, but it's a hot chili sauce. Let's brown this. I'm going to put in 1 teaspoon of pepper and 1 teaspoon of salt. Not too much. You can always add more if you need to. It's going to be 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and 2 tablespoons of vinegar, whatever vinegar you like to have. That's good. Let's give it another stir to all the ingredients. Oh, it smells good already. The vinegar with the brown sugar and the veggies are giving a wonderful smell. If you don't have these ingredients today, it's so easy to just go to the store and buy them. It's a very easy shopping list. And we have all the ingredients for you ready. Once everything gets mixed, it will take about half an hour for everything to cook. And I'm going to leave another minute for the browning of the meat, and then we'll add the last ingredients, the sauce, the chili sauce, and that is going to give a perfect spice to our sliders. Is that a very easy recipe? I'm not going to say no fear because it is not. On chopping the vegetable, have your young ones to chop them. They'll love it. It's a free present you're going to give your young ones if you let them help you in the kitchen. And when they're older, this is going to be just a playtime to cook. So with this, I'm going to add the last ingredient. I'll put the top on, and half an hour, we'll just let everything to cook. Easy cleanup also, everybody. Very easy cleanup. One more stir. The vegetables will cook very nice with the meat. And all the sauce. 1 cup of chili sauce. You'll find it in a lot of stores have them. Very easy ingredient, and probably you all have it in the house. Let's stir one more time. And then I'm putting the top, the lid, and oh, the chili sauce smells so good. We'll let everything till a bubble. Look at this already. And also it's getting a little bit thicker, would be just perfect for our sliders to create. So I'm going to put the top, and I'll see you back in 30 minutes. 10 minutes before this is done, I'm going to put my sliders in the oven for about 10 minutes, warm them up really good, and then assemble them together. Also, if you like a bigger one, if you're really hungry, have a regular bun. So with this on, Babette, it smells good? It smells very good. I know you want to be here. So today you are welcome to be right here. You're the gourmet baby. I know your nose goes well. So we'll see you in about 30 minutes. Half an hour went by and the meat looks perfect, done with the vegetables. Delicious smells, very easy recipe, very easy. Let me put that down. And I'm going to stop the meat going. I just got the rolls out from the oven and they're nice and warm. I'm going to start to assemble our sliders. And again, you don't have to put too much on it or just, they're very hot, so I have to be very careful. Yes. I put just a little bit cheese, just one small slice. If you like to put more, you're welcome to do that. I'm using some yellow, I'm using some, the other way. And the sliders are nice and warm. If you like to do the meat early and just warm it up, it's also very good. I'm putting this on. If you like to put 2 slices of cheese, you're welcome. You can go for it. I'm just going to use one. And again, everything you need for this nice, wonderful, easy recipe, you can do it. We are going to use also a big roll. In case you're very hungry, you can use a whole slice of cheese. You can use a little bit smaller. But if you have a family who are very hungry, let them have a whole roll. I'm going to put it right here and it's ready. Also, while this was cooking, I had a very nice salad ready. Today, I even bought some baby arugula. And with this, I'm going to say manja manja, pofte buna. Till next time, please try our recipe. It's a fun one. I'm not going to say easy, but it is 30 minutes, everything is together. So till next time, happy, healthy, terrific cooking time. Take care. And spring is here. We have our goldfinches. Take time to enjoy them. Bye-bye.